Him's hairspray, baby, let's go.
Nothing? Bye. It's kind of a crazy thing to hit the road and not know where you're going. I know I'm going south, but whether I'll turn left or right, east, west, I don't know whether I'll go to Oklahoma or Florida. So stay tuned. We will see. Here we are. Looks like we're going to Oklahoma. Couldn't come through Tulsa without eating at Ted's. Even get the bike right outside the window. Little stop in Oklahoma along the way. Welcome to Texas. Went to Oklahoma for a couple hours. Got to see my family. Going to River Valley tonight, so that should be fun. I'm excited about that, but I'm really excited about tomorrow. There's a track down there called Madden MX Playground, and it's completely covered in turf. I'm sure you saw it on Josh Hill's video and a couple others that I've seen. Man, I miss it down here in the South. It's so nice. The people are nice. Everything's nice. Even the people pulling out in front of you. It's all right. It's fine. I was paying attention. We're here at River Valley in Texas, and they got a night track now. I've only ridden their day track back about 15 years ago, so it's been a while. Thankful for dirt bikes, sweet tracks, nice weather, and friends that save you great spots to park right by the front in the traffic-filled area. Even if it's by porta potties, it's all good. What's up, dude?
What up, brother? How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Dude, how is the track? Have you ridden?
I haven't ridden it yet. The bike's too clean, man.
Dude, you got a freshie. You ridden this thing yet or no?
Got 2 hours on it? Oh, man. Track's looking good. A lot of people here.
That's boring. What? Say something cool.
Shoot. Put me on the spot. I got a new bike, and
That's sick.
we're just going to get out there and rip.
You got some sick FXR gear on, too. We had to get ready fast. We're going to miss our first practice. Got suited and booted. Got my bell, FXR, Alpine Stars, set to go. Let's go riding. This place is insane. It's so busy for a Thursday night. Having fun. The dirt's really good. The lighting's so hard to see with this red dirt. This red dirt is like, it's really always been tough to ride in the lights. 59 used to be that way, and Moto City, that just the lights on thing with the red dirt isn't too easy to ride. So hop on board. Now that I'm warmed up for a little bit, don't critique me for going too slow, because I'm kind of scared out there, honestly. I guess I'm just getting old. Maybe I just can't see because I'm getting old. But I'll put a Insta360 on, and yeah, we'll get out there and burn a couple laps. This is going to be a Insta360 Ace Pro 2 that I'm going to use here. A lot of the other videos I've got going with my X5. So pick them up on the website and thank me later. They're sweet. It's day 2, Friday. Tomorrow's Supercross, and yesterday we rode to River Valley, but today we're going to go to Madden MX Playground. It's a super cool looking track that I've been wanting to ride for a long time, and I'm really excited to get the chance to go out there. The real John Madden, what's up?
Thanks for coming out.
How's it going,
man?
dude?
You guys are awesome.
Buddy. So stoked to be here. It's going to be a good time.
Dude,
so fun to ride. Yeah, man.
Let's
really
get you guys
excited.
back there.
We got a lot of extra turf here. There's a lot of track to be built. We got some things to do, but this is sick.
You go up that big jump and then over that big jump again, and then you head right into a turn, and then you get to come back.
We got spectators on the scene, breaking these bad boys out and checking out these Tech 10s, seeing how what we think. You're just that guy, aren't you? You're the guy that causes all the dust in the pits.
This thing is so sick.
Let it rip.
This all gets 50 to the gallon, baby.
get 50 miles gone on this hog.
I like it. I like it a lot, actually. I always talk crap about the electric stuff, but now it's like pineapple on pizza, man.
It's got 3 different modes, right? It's total custom job that my buddy did. It's not a Stark, so it's not like built.
And it is in a KTM frame. So I'm not so sure that I'm completely trustworthy of this thing, but we're going to see how it goes. I know you can't really see them upside down here, but these are the Tech 7s. First time I've ever ridden with a set of these things. Just got the Tech 10s off and go back to back. Hey, that's a good looking bike.
Yeah, coming
Where'd you get that? That thing was sweet.
Man, some tall, good looking guy. Don't make it look good.
Let it rip, baby.
Yeah. Turn that camera on.
He's just sitting back, relaxing.
Full backer support, baby.
Still flat.
There you go. Perfect.
You gonna have a lot of fun?
Yeah.
Let's see what you got out there, 99.
Yeah. So I did this.
Striking resemblance. This is my dad.
Yeah. Well, there you go. That's right.
Dad
He gets his looks from his mother. Listen, 2 laps near vomit. you went more laps. Look at my son. He bent the pipe on yours and broke the clutch lever off. I can't have nothing nice. Thanks for having us out. Yeah. Good to see you.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah. Gonna be good times.
Yeah.
Turn that off. Just Photoshop.
You done? Flat tires is a short ending for a day, but it was a lot of fun. Even got treated by the owner, John, to some luscious pizza. Cheers. My man. Cheers.
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 Cheers. Hey, how was the track today?
Good.
That was awesome, man. You went so big. I was way too scared to ride whenever I was your age. Did you know that? I didn't ride until I was 10. So think about how much faster you're going to be than I am.
This is Madden MX Playground. We're out here in Eustis, Texas, by Gun Barrel City, so right in between Dallas and Tyler. And this was kind of the dream as I was retiring from the military, to come out here and build just a really fun place for dirt bikes. We love the racing scene, but our park is geared towards just a good time with friends. I grew up skateboarding my whole life and managed a few skateboard parks. And so I liked the vibe there, and I wanted to try to create a motocross park that had that type of vibe.
Is there any sort of correlation here between the fact that your name is John Madden and you have a football field track?
If I was related to the John Madden, I'd have a different pair of shoes on.
Andy, I'm pretty bummed that you didn't jump that jump today.
I am too, but you know, I got sidetracked with my van problems.
Oh, your van.
I was gonna jump it.
Did you get it
I was gonna
fixed?
Back on. No.
So what are you gonna do? You gonna stay the night out
Ride
here?
with you.
Oh, you're gonna ride with me.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Sweet. Well, we got a lot of room in that truck, so sweet.
I'm not even used to doing backflips.
I don't want to go upside down.
Me neither. Maybe when I'm like 10 or maybe 9. I think when I'm maybe 10.
When you're 10, you're gonna do backflips?
Yeah.
Okay. Well.
Actually, I'm gonna try to do backflips. So I'm gonna like do backflips like up on that big jump over there. When I'm going up the temp and I'm on the temp, I'm like gonna do a double trip backflip, like.
Whoa, dude, you run so fast. Kind of form. I won't do it again. Oh, it's locked. I didn't realize it was locked. I didn't know it was locked. Sorry. Dayton, you're never gonna believe it.
Oop, you're missing out.
Dad's in the
Old
back
married
seat.
man.
He's back there. He's back there
right.
rubbing my back
Uh-huh.
on our trip. Fix them. Fix it. What do I do? I'm not a clown. Help me. Help. You are? I knew it. I knew I asked the right person.
I said you just need to twist it and then thing.
Just twist it.
And then put it through.
All right. Oh, that's good. I haven't washed my hair in a while. Yeah. I wore this hair in here because it's really knotted up. It's like it's not. It feels. I mean,
The best thing about it is is the color of his actual hair.
It looks pretty legit. Right? But I need some tips. Like, what do you use on your hair? Like, what is it? Conditioner, double conditioner? Like, well, I don't get it.
So I use
mix.
Hims. Yeah,
Hims.
they got a Hims. Hims hairspray, baby, let's go.
He's got a question for you.
Oh my God!
Better glass.
Yeah, like it. Hey, good luck.
Swing by later.
Can I ask him? I'll be back.
Hey, what'd you get there?
I got Kevin Moran's number plate.
You guys are gonna get the whole shot tonight?
I hope so.
Yeah, you bet he will. Go ahead and check out KP and his van here. What's up, dude? How's it going?
you. What's going on?
What are you doing here?
We're out
You letting
here.
people ride on your bike?
Yes, we're out here enjoying the fan interaction, getting the fans involved.
Making the people happy.
Yeah.
Dude, you got all kinds of names. Why didn't I do that a long time ago? You should have been my manager.
I know, right?
15 years ago. We could have done some real work.
We got a whole crew we got to get around, so the fans are helping out. Perfect. Sticker right there. Yeah, and then picture of plastic. We got a lot. Yeah, absolutely. Oh, thanks, guys. Appreciate you.
Learning jiu-jitsu over here from the man. Oh, yeah. So,
Don't be dancing, Rory. Hurt him.
like, first winner, I'll let you ride my bike and you'll get to pick a prize. Ready? One ticket and give it yours. 240. Let's go, baby. Make some noise. Let's go. not too sure why I'm wearing shorts. I've actually been wearing the same shorts since I left. Anyways, had a fun weekend, and yeah, it was a good time. Got to see a lot of people. Going to Dallas is always a cool race for me because it's basically anybody from Oklahoma that has anything to do with dirt bikes or ever loved dirt bikes, they go to Dallas. That's their one calendar event every year, so it's cool to have a little reunion of all the people that you don't usually see and that you haven't seen in a long time. So that was awesome. Got to go ride out at Madden's place on Friday, and that was a lot of fun, man. That turf track was really, really cool. I couldn't believe how much attraction was in it. Like I said, I got to go see my family and go ride dirt bikes for a couple days, get to see a bunch of friends I hadn't seen. So nothing wrong with that. All good things, and can't wait till next time. So thanks for watching, guys. It's done. I'm here. Time to go see my kids.